And this is 13, guys. This oh my god. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow challenge. Oh, I've done an eyeshadow challenge before, but it was on Instagram. I'm going to leave my Instagram handle here. Guys, follow me on Instagram, okay? I'll follow you back. So I did that on TikTok. It was picking numbering your eyeshadow and then picking random number and then doing your makeup with whatever you picked. It's going to be the same thing, but this time it's going to be for YouTube. And it's different. I'm going to be using this number generator from Google instead. I'm going to generate any number I generate, I do the eyeshadow, okay? So I'm going to just keep generating as I go, and I'm going to try and do my eyeshadow the same way I do my eyeshadow, dark one and the rest. Okay, you guys watch me, you see how I do my eyeshadow. That's what I'm gonna do today. And for this hair, guys, I braided this hair by myself, so I'm sure I've posted this video that says I'm going to leave the link here and also in the description box. It's like my first time braiding my own hair. Okay, this is my first attempt to braid my hair for the first time in my life, and I'm so happy the way it turned out. Okay, so you guys should just go and check out the video, and yeah, let's just dive into this video. Okay guys, so I went there to prime my eyes off camera to get it ready because I don't want it to be a very long video, and I'm going to be using this palette. This is the Tammy X Revolution palette. I've used it a couple of times in my videos, and I just felt like it's colorful enough for what I want to do. Okay, this is what it looks like, and here, like this whole place, there are shimmer shades, and these two layers are matte shade. So what comes to worst, I'm sure your number is going to fall into this matte shade, but then let's just go ahead and do the video. I'm going to zoom you guys in. So I don't know, I'm really nervous because what if all the numbers fall on the shimmer shade? I mean, how am I going to do transition shade with a shimmer shade? But then we'll find out together in this video. Okay guys, so there are 18 eyeshadows in this palette. 18 eyeshadows, yes, and I have already set my number generator minimum 1 and maximum 18. I don't know if you guys can see it, so let's just start with the first one. All right, so I'm going to, this is number 8. This is number 8. This is 2, 4, 6, 8. Wow, so this is number 8. Number 8 is a yellow shade. This is number 8 and it's yellow, so I guess I'm going to use this as my transition shade, honestly. Guys, so it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Okay, so let's just do the next one. And number 1, oh wow, this is this is a lemon green eyeshadow. Okay, where am I going to put lemon green? I'm going to just pack this on my eyelid, just at the outer corner, just maybe from here to here. That's what I'm going to do, and I'm not going to cut my crease, just going to put it there. Okay guys, so this is where I'm going to just stop this one because I don't know. Let's just continue. So this thing will start making sense to me because right now it is not making sense. So I'm going to generate the next one, and this is 18. So black. Oh wow. Okay, black. I don't like using black on my eyes, but I'm going to use it today, and I'm going to just put this at the outer corner because this is the only place I feel like it's going to make sense right now. Just going to pack this here. And then try to bring it into this place. I think I know why I chose this palette. It's so pigmented. Like anything you put on your eyes from this palette, it shows up. Guys, I never use black unless I'm doing a black smoky eyes. I never use black on my eyes. I feel like it's always so intense. I prefer using brown. It's softer, but then I mean the number generator chose black. Why are you seriously? Now you chose 17. For real though. 17. And 17 is this green shade. This shade is 17, and this is like, it's a light green shade. Okay, I'm going to use this one as well on my crease to blend out this black eyeshadow that is there. I feel like it's going to be okay there, so I'm going to use it to blend it out. So I'm going to blend it into the yellow that I used initially. So I'm going to go back into the black that I used. I'm not going to add more color. I'm just going to apply the black and blend it into the green to remove any harsh line. So basically I'm using the same brush that I used in applying the black to just do this without adding any more color to it. Okay, so far so good. It's okay. It's still wearable. I can still do something with this. So let's generate the next one. So this is number 2. Now it's giving me purple. What am I supposed to do with this purple? This and it's a shimmer shade. Why on earth would you give me purple? Okay, I don't have a choice. So I'm going to apply this purple, okay, beside the green, the lemon green that I applied. What a color combination. Purple and green. I'm not going to apply this too much. I'm just going to stop here and hopefully I get something that is going to look okay. Okay guys, so far so good. Purple and green, I don't know, let me just blend in this green into this purple so that I won't have any harsh line. Yeah, so honestly it's not looking that bad. I haven't seen purple and green together before, have I don't know, but then let's just continue. And 14, what is 14? Please be a good math shade. Please be a good math shade. So this is 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. For real, it's, I don't know what to call this shade, but it looks like blue, so I guess it's blue. And I'm just going to apply this at the outer corner, just here. Oh wow, this color combination is interesting. This is crazy. I'm going to go back into all the shades that I've used, for instance the black, and emphasize this black because using this blue is crazy. Then I'm going to go into the green shade that I used, blend out the black, then go back in with the yellow shade. I mean, if the color combination is going to look terrible, at least the blending should be okay. So I guess, I don't know, the blending should just be okay. Okay guys, so this is how it looks. I've removed the excess powder on my face and dusted out the fallout from the eyeshadow. I'm going to do two more things, the inner corner of my eyes and then my lower lash line. I'm looking at this blue and purple together. I don't know what to say. I have no words, man. I have no words. So the next one is 9. Okay, so let me figure out what number 9 is. So this is 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 9 is this orange beside the yellow, and I'm just going to use this on my lower lash line, I think. Okay guys, so this, it didn't really show up like that because it's orange. Okay, so I'm going to generate another color and hopefully it gives me a very dark shade to apply on my lower lash line. Okay, number 11. I feel like number 11 is not going to be okay as well because this is 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. I mean, what's the difference between this and this? It's almost the same thing. What kind of thing is this? Quite apply the shade on my lower lash line, but I feel like it will show up more than the yellow did. Hopefully, no, not yellow, orange. Okay guys, so it showed up a little. I look really funny, so I'm going to finish up my eyes with the inner corner of my eyes. I just hope this time around just give me a shimmer shade, anything. Number 14. I can't do 14 because I've used 14 before, so I'm going to do another one. 13. Okay, and this is 13 guys. This so this is 13 guys, and this is a purple matte shade, and I'm going to use this in the inner corner of my eyes. It is quite interesting, but I don't have any choice right now. I look funny. Who uses a matte purple shade in the inner corner of their eyes? Why do you have to do me this bad? I'm just going to apply mascara. I won't even bother putting on false lashes right now because this is interesting. I'm going to just apply mascara, put on eyeliner, hopefully, I don't know, so that it will look good, you know, small good. Okay. Okay guys, so I didn't bother to put lashes because I'm just going to wipe this thing up now. This is the final look. Let me bring you guys closer so you will see the color combination. Okay guys, so this is how it looks. I mean, it's not so bad, but it is bad. It is bad. Nah. This is bad. This is how it looks like. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video because I really did have fun creating this funny look that I'm not going to wear anywhere. Give me a thumbs up, comment in the comment section and tell me what you think of this color combination. Okay, honestly, I think it's good-ish. I don't know, ish, but I won't wear it outside. Okay, this is just for my room. It's not even leaving my room. It's just for here because I'm taking this thing off instantly. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down there. It's the red button. Just click on it and it's for free, guys. You don't pay to subscribe. Just subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys in my next video.